If your life feels chaotic, unfocused, and honestly, a little stuck, then listen carefully. You don't need more motivation. You don't need another inspirational video. You need a reset. Because the truth is, your environment is distracting you. Your habits are draining you. And your mind is overloaded. But what if in just 30 days, you could completely change your focus, discipline, and identity? This is called monk mode. And it's not easy, but it works. What is monk mode? Monk mode is simple. Cut distractions, focus inward, build relentlessly. It's about temporarily stepping away from the noise of the world so you can rebuild yourself from the inside out. For 30 days, you live differently than everyone else. No endless scrolling, no cheap dopamine, no wasting time on things that don't matter. Instead, your life becomes intentional. You wake up with purpose. You train your body. You focus deeply on your work. And you spend time in silence, thinking, reflecting, growing. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being disciplined. Because the person you want to become cannot exist in your current habits. The rules of monk mode. If you want real change, you need rules. Here's what your 30 days should look like. No social media scrolling. Delete apps if you have to. Your attention is your most valuable asset. Stop giving it away for free. Second, no junk dopamine. That means no mindless content, no binge-watching, no constant entertainment. You're retraining your brain to enjoy effort again. Third, no wasted time. Every hour should have intention. If it doesn't, move your life forward. Cut it. Now, replace all of that with daily training. Even if it's just 20 to 30 minutes, build physical discipline. Deep work. 1 to 3 hours of focused work daily. No distractions, no multitasking. Silence and reflection. Spend time alone. Think. Journal. Understand yourself. This is where the real transformation begins. The 4 phases of the 30 days. Week 1, detox, the hardest part. This is where most people fail. Your brain will fight you. You'll feel bored, restless, even anxious. You'll reach for your phone without thinking. You'll crave distraction. Good. That means it's working. Because for the first time, you're breaking the addiction. Don't quit here. Week 2. Stabilize. Something starts to change. Your mind becomes quieter. You're less reactive. You can sit and focus longer. You'll start noticing things you ignored before. Your thoughts, your habits, your patterns. Clarity begins to return. And with clarity comes control. Week 3. Build. This is where it gets powerful. Discipline becomes easier. Focus becomes natural. You're no longer forcing yourself. You're becoming someone who just does the work. Momentum kicks in. You wake up with direction. You execute without hesitation. And for the first time in a long time, you feel proud of yourself. Week 4. Transform. You're not the same person anymore. Your mind is sharper. Your habits are stronger. Your confidence is real. You've proven something to yourself. You can control your life. While others are distracted, you're building. While others are stuck, you're moving forward. And that difference, it compounds. Why most people fail? Let's be honest. Most people won't do this. Not because it's impossible, but because it's uncomfortable. People are addicted to comfort, to distraction, to easy pleasure. Monk mode removes all of that. It forces you to face yourself. And that's scary. But staying the same, that should scare you more. Because 30 days of discipline can change the next 5 years of your life. Now, if this video gave you something real, I want to give you more. I have a free school community. It's built specifically for people who are working on their discipline and their mindset. People who are done with excuses and ready to build something. When you join, you get access to exclusive content, direct coaching, and a community of driven people who will hold you accountable when no one else will. And it costs you nothing. The link is below this video in the description. Click it. Join. So here's the question. Are you ready to disappear for 30 days and come back stronger than ever? If you're serious, comment monk mode below. I'll see it and I'll hold you accountable. And don't stop here. There's another video waiting for you. One that will help you stay consistent and never fall back. Click it now. Your new life starts today.